Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get a million of coins, how to easily exchange rewards 11 million coins in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. Currently the new event is on. This is the heroes. There are some features that you can play. So let's jump into the exchange feature and try to tap this coins page. As you can see, there are a lot of coin that you can get from this exchange feature, from 100,000 coins until 11,000 coins. So if you desperately need a coins, you can get it from this feature. So if you want 11 million coins, you have to fulfill this condition. 94 OVR player, the tradable one, you have to pay attention about this. So if you have, or if you don't have, you can buy from the market. But if you have unusable player that have 94 OVR, you can fulfill this condition. And also from 8 million, if you have 93 plus, you can do it. And try to 1 million, for example, with 88 plus OVR player tradable, for you can do it, exchange rewards 1 million coins. So please be wise, maybe this player is a worth than a million. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.